Hello everybody, today we're going to our science lesson and we're going to learn all about animals. Now, what do you know about animals? You can pause the video and think about it. I'm going to share my screen and so you can have a look at our PowerPoint. So, observing animals. Let's meet Quizby. Can you spot me in the lesson presentation? The questions that appear will help you to think about the key learning throughout the lesson. Our aim today is to identify and name some common animals. Our success criteria are: I can name some common animals, I can name the groups of animals, including fish, mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians. I can identify what groups animals belong to. Remember it. Pretend I have never seen an animal. How would you describe what an animal is? Let's have a little think. What is an animal? You can pause the video and have a think about it. Can you spot the animals in these pictures? Look carefully. How do you know they are animals? You can call out the names of the animals as you spot them. Did you find the names? Okay. Now we're going to have a look at the different types of animals. There are lots of different animals. Scientists sort them into groups to help to identify them. Here are some of the animal groups that they can be sorted into: mammals, birds, amphibians, fish, reptiles. Do you know the names of these animals? Do you know what type of animal they are? Pause the video and have a little think. That's right, this is a pigeon, a flamingo, and a chicken. And they are birds. Here are some more birds. Do you know any of their names? Have a little think. This is a robin, this is a penguin, and this is a magpie. Where do you think you might see these birds? Do you think you will see them in the water or on top of a tree? Do you know the names of these animals? Do you know what type of animals they are? Human, dog, monkey. Did you know that humans belong in the mammal group and are animals too? Here are some more mammals. Do you know any of the names? This is a cow, this is an elephant, and this is a hedgehog. Where do you think you might see mammals? Have a little think. You can pause the video. Do you know the names of these animals? Do you know what type of animals they are? Have a little think. That's right, this is a goldfish and a shark. And they are fish, that's right. Here are some more fish. Do you know any of the names? Have a little think, pause the video and have a chat with someone in your house. This is a trout, this is a pufferfish, this is a clownfish. Where might you see fish? Do you think you will see them in the sky or in the sea? Do you know the names of these animals? Do you know what type of animal they are? This is a crocodile and this is a tortoise. And these animals are reptiles. Here are some more reptiles. Do you know any of the names? This is a chameleon and this is a snake. Where might you see reptiles? Have a little think. You can pause the video and you can chat with someone in your household. Do you know the names of these animals? Do you know what type of animal they are? This is a frog, and this is a newt. These animals are amphibians. Here are some more amphibians. Do you know any of the names? This is a toad, and this is a salamander. Where do you think you might see amphibians? Have a little think and chat with someone in your house. Animals all around us. Which of these animal groups do you see most of? Where do you see these animals? Will they be able to fly, swim, or climb trees? Pause the video and have a little think. Which type of animals do you think will not live around our school? Why? Pause the video and have another think. Observing animals, how do you think we can find out if we're right about the types of animals that might live around our school and the types that they don't? What could we do? You can look for animals outside your window or in the park. Observing your animals. Whenever you see an animal, draw a picture and write down its name and where you saw it on your observing animals activity set. Then use the animal key group and find out in which group they belong to. Your task for today is to record any animals that you might see. You will need a pencil, your home learning book, where you can copy the observing animals activity set, and your animal groups key. You can use this PowerPoint to help you. So here's an example. Now you can pause your video and you can pick up your home learning book and start looking at animals outside of the window. Can you name it? Can you say where you can see it? And can you identify in which group it belongs? Remember to answer these questions. Look at the types of animals we thought might live around our school. Which animal groups did you see? What did you notice about the animals that live around our school? Which animal groups did you not see? Why do you think this is? You can use these STEM sentences to answer your questions. Looking at our observations, we can say that these animals live in our local area because the animals around our school have. We don't think these animals live near our school because. This is our lesson for today. Remember to use your home learning book. I'm going to stop sharing my screen now. Well, that is for today. Goodbye. See you next time.